Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing chi-square test type number 2 test for independence of attributes, and this is our second example. Friends, in the last video we have discussed one example on test of independence of attributes, but in that example the table was given. Here table is not provided to us. We need to make a table. So let us start with the problem. Sample of 400 students of undergraduate and 400 postgraduate. So two terms are given, postgraduate and undergraduate, were taken to know about autonomous college. 290 students undergraduate and 310 of postgraduate students favored. Present this fact in a form of table and test at 5% LOS that opinion regarding autonomous college is independent of level of classes of students. So this is the given problem. The problem is actually there are 400 students of undergraduate and 400 students postgraduate. Few students favored autonomous college, few opposed autonomous college. We need to check, is there any relationship between the opinion and the class? That means postgraduate, undergraduate, these classes, and the opinion, that means autonomous college. A college should be autonomous or not. Is there any relationship between them or not? So what is the first step? The first step is null hypothesis. We say no. So no association between classes and opinion. So this is my null hypothesis. Step number 1. What is the next step? Step number 2 is your alternate hypothesis. So association. There is association between classes and opinion. So we're done with null and we're done with alternate. Let's move on with the next step. Step number 3. That is your LOS part. LOS stands for level of significance, and here in the given problem it is 5%, that is given. Next is degree of freedom. Now this is very important. As discussed, degree of freedom is R minus 1 into C minus 1. For that purpose we need a table. So let us form table first of all. Without that we cannot proceed. So let's try to identify the data given and postgraduate. So these are the two students category, and we know we add a total here and again a total here. Few of them favored the autonomous status and few opposed. So these are the categories. Sample of 400 students of undergraduate. So there are 400 undergraduate students and 400 postgraduate students were taken to know about autonomous college. 290 of undergraduate and 310 of postgraduate students favored the autonomous college. 290 undergraduate favored and 310 postgraduate favored. So total 600. There are 400 students out of which 290 favored. So there are total 400 graduates, 290 favored. So 400 minus 290, 110 opposed obviously. And there are total 400 postgraduate, 310 favored. So 90 opposed. 400 minus 310. Here it is 200. If you add this row, and here total is 800. So we are ready with the table. As discussed, total row and column we don't count. So we do have 2 rows and 2 columns. So R minus C minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1. 1 degree of freedom, 5% LOS. In the last example also same situation was there. Chi-square value is 3.84. So we got the value of chi-square alpha. Now friends, we need to find it out, the value expected frequency. So let's find it out. Observed, there are 4 observed frequencies given. 290, this is first, second, third and fourth. You can take in any order. 290, 310, and the next is 110 and 90. For expected, we have discussed the formula RT into CT divided by T. So RT means row total. So 290 row total is this, column total is this, upon this. That is 600 into 400 upon 800. This is the value for 290. For 310, this is the value 600, 400, 800. For 110, 200, 400, 800. And the lastly for 90, 200, 400, 800. Which is equal to 300, 300, 100 and 100. Next is observed minus expected, the whole square. 290 minus 100 is minus 10, the whole square is 100. Here also 100, here also 100, and last also 100. Next, observed minus expected, the whole square upon expected. So that is 0.333. This is also 0.333. This is 1 and this is 1. So the value of chi-square, if you add this row, you will get it as 2.666. Let's move on to the step number 5, that is your conclusion part. Mod of chi-square is less than chi-square alpha, because mod of chi-square is 2.666 is less than 3.84. Therefore, accept NH and reject AH. We accepting the null hypothesis. And what was the null hypothesis? No association between classes and opinion, and we accepting it. So therefore, the conclusion is no association between classes and opinion. Hope you're clear with the example. In the next video, we'll discuss one more example of the same type. Thank you.